Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a quick 5-minute makeup routine. So today's video is sponsored by Merit Beauty, and we all know that they specialize in minimalist products. So let's get right into this video. So of course, we are starting off with bare skin. I have nothing on my skin except for moisturizer. So the first product we're going in with is the Merit Beauty Volumizing Pomade. I have mine in the shade Black Brown. And all this is doing is essentially filling in the sparse areas of our brows. So this is going to give us a nice volumized look. And of course, you guys know me, I like to just clean up my brows for that flawless look every time. So you guys are going to see me going in with just a little razor to clean up those little specks that grow in over time. And there we have it, a nice quick and clean brow. So now I'm going in with the Merit Beauty Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Tigre Eye. And I'm using this to literally spot correct. We are concealing underneath the eyes. And I love going in with my fingers because this warms up the product. And when I tell you this works perfectly with my fingertips, it just blends out so seamlessly. So I like doing this for underneath my eyes. For the rest of my complexion, however, I do like to just apply the product, and then I like to go in with the Merit Beauty #1 Tapered Blending Brush. And when I tell you this brush was made for this product, this is going to literally melt into your skin. So I love this. It goes perfectly with this product. Now, you guys know I have some darkness around my mouth that I have to conceal as well. So I went in with the same stick and literally just applied that all around my mouth. I just like that extra coverage around my mouth as well. And then again, we're gonna go in with that brush and blend it out. And you guys are seeing, this is real time. It blends out so smoothly like butter. Now, I want to remind you guys, if you do have any first orders, anyone who orders for the first time from Merit Beauty will receive a signature makeup bag that comes free with your purchase. So if you haven't checked out, in the description box below, I do have my affiliate link that you guys can access to purchase your Merit Beauty products, guys. When I tell you guys I love this stuff, it's quick and easy for an everyday 5-minute out the door makeup look. So now I'm going in with the Merit Beauty Day Glow Highlighting Balm in the shade Solstice, and this is one of their newer products. And this is perfect for my black girls. This is black girl friendly. You guys are seeing that firsthand, how that just gave me a nice flawless glow. I was amazed. I'm like, this looks like skin. My skin is still looking like skin, and that's what we want. So I just applied this to all of the highest points on my face. So that's my cheekbones. I also applied it on my nose and my cupid's bow as well. And we use the fingertips to blend this out. You guys are seeing that the only tools for this look today is literally a brush and my fingers. I love using my fingers for a quick 5-minute look. So now I'm going in with another product. This is the Wonder Beauty Double Day Lip and Cheek Duo. I wanted to just warm back up my skin with some color. So I just applied that lip and cheek duo to the apples of my cheek. It's just a nice flush of pink, and that really just awakened my skin and just gave me a really nice flush of blush. So now we're moving on to lips, of course. So I took my Palladio eyeliner, and I want to make sure I say eyeliner. It's not a lip liner, and it's in the shade Dark Brown, but I'm using it as a lip liner to just outline my lips. And for my lipstick today, we went in with the Merit Beauty Signature Lip in the shade Baby. I love this lip. Look how natural it is and flawless. I was a bit skeptical of the shade, but once you line your lip, this shade is literally the perfect everyday shade. Now you can wear it matte, or you can go over it with some gloss. And you guys know me, I'm literally about to go over this with some gloss to really just finish up this lip combo. This is literally going to be my lip combo for the summer. So this is how I'm looking, just nice and glowy. And honestly, you can choose to go glowy like this, or you can go matte. So let me show you guys what I do if I want to go matte. So I use the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Powder in Translucent Deep, and I literally just tap the powder in my T-zone specifically and around any other areas of my face. And I'm just going to show you guys this side with matte and the side that's not. And of course I like a nice matte finish, so I went over the rest of my face with this powder, and that is just showing you guys you can go really dewy or matte with this look. So that is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.